Yeah, this is the nightmare stainless to work with. Is the 316. Luckily, this end is already drilled and tapped, so I can just put a Allen cap in here and to hold my end mill in here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind that broken end mill to form a grooving tool, because I need to cut 2 millimeter grooves in a collar nut that I'm attempting to make. I'm just going to mill a flat here at the back. Now, as you could see, that my high-speed steel drill bit, which was uh, exclamation on was sharp, uh, it went dull very quickly as the stainless is hardened. So I'm not even going to try to attempt to cut anything on this thing with high-speed steel. So I'm going to use my CNC mills, the 6 millimeter end mill, just to cut a small little flat at the back. And I'm going to use that my boring bar holder. Now this stainless is quite hard and it's doesn't flex easily, so I think it's a good material to use for a grooving tool. Stainless didn't put up as big as a fight as I thought it would with the carbide. The carbide cut it like butter, but I was very conservative with my depth of cut. This flat should be enough so that when I tighten it with the screws, it will stop it from rotating. And then I've ground this piece of high-speed steel here to form a grooving tool. Hopefully it will do the job. Let's see if it will reach and cut nicely. Yeah, you'll have to see in my collar nut build if it see the light of day. How well it performed.